Hello guys, so today I am vlogging on my new Yantralay Gorillapod. Hey man, you got to show them the product. No man, I'm busy. You show that to them. Alright, I'll show them. Alright guys, since Rejoy is busy vlogging upstairs, so I'm down here to start the video for you. And like the previous one also, this video will be divided into unboxing, features, weight test, and why you need to get this product, where I will compare it with the most standard product in the market. So before we proceed with the video, I would request you to pause the video for 5 seconds and please subscribe to my channel. You know it helps my channel grow a lot, so I could really use your help. Alright guys, we have the Amazon package right here. Let's start with the unboxing first. Let's rip this open. And we have got the main product here, I guess. And something here also. Is there anything else? Alright, and that's everything, I guess. Let's keep this aside, and we'll come to this later. Let's start with the main product. It's very tightly packaged, as I can see. Try to open this. They have done multiple layers of packaging, as I can see. How do I open this? Oh, it's opened already. Alright guys, we have got rid of the packaging. So here is the main product, as you can see. Flexible tripod, professional SLR, SQ801, the model number. And I'm showing you the box right now. You can see, you can check out the box. Product specifications are given. Max weight 5000 grams. And they also give an extra 3x8 interface screw for those kind of mounts, whereas the standard mount is 1/4 inch. And let's take out the product. I hope I'm doing it right. And guys, this is the product right here. Actually, I think I'm a bit zoomed in, so pardon me for this video. I'm a bit zoomed in for this much, for this video only. I hope I'm not causing any problem with that. So guys, this is the product. This is the Gorillapod I was talking about. Let's see how much it can bend. And this is called the Gorillapod for this reason only, because of its bendy nature. And guys, here is the 3x8 inch interface screw, and if you remove this, it's just an unscrewing mechanism. You get this 1/4 inch screw. Okay, let's put this right. It's quite tight, I must say. Hope it can hold a lot of weight. Decent quality, I must say, for this price. Alright guys, let's put both of this aside and see what's inside these two. So let's try and open this. Amazon does quite a good job with packaging, I must say. Alright guys, as you can see, this is a GoPro mount and action camera mount, finger mount that is. If you have any action camera, you can mount it on your tripod as well. This is Gorillapod actually, like this. And the action camera goes in here. Let's open this and keep this here. And let's see what we have here. So this is a phone mount. Let's throw this away. So this is a phone mount. You can mount your phone inside like this. Let's mount it over here. And that's how it's gonna look when tight. So this is the product and everything. So alright guys, this is everything that you get in this package. Alright guys, somehow I got this setup from Rejoy, who is still upstairs. I snatched it from him, and now I'm going to talk about this setup, this entire setup, and stay tuned. So before we begin, first I'm going to show you how the setup looks. This is my phone, this is a phone holder, this is a ball head which I got for very cheap, like this, like around rupees 250, and this is the main Gorillapod which I've bent like this so that I can vlog like this, and this is how all vloggers do. Alright guys, moving on, now I'm going to show you how I assembled that setup. So here I have my Gorillapod, it's straightened out right now, and this is the ball head which I mounted it on, and it's been a problem that I mounted it on so tight that I can't open it right now. Like opening it would require a lot of effort now because I have tightened up this screw a lot, so I'm not going to open and show that to you again. So I hope you would understand. But this Gorillapod does not come with this ball head. I purchased it separately, and you can get this one very cheap. It's quite a good quality at rupees 250, and this is the Gorillapod straightened out. Then the main reason why you should vlog with a Gorillapod is that its legs can be bent like this in any direction. So you can mount it on railings, you can mount it on your stairs, you can mount it anywhere. And I'm going to show you how you're going to do that later in the video. And like if you keep it here like this, and if you want to straighten this up, like straightening these legs is quite difficult. So if you don't want to do that, then just straighten up this ball head, and you can just mount your phone on this. And so I always recommend that whenever you get a Gorillapod, please get a ball head with that, because without a ball head it's going to be very difficult, because this does not stay up symmetrically always. So now moving on to the phone holder, and here I have a disclaimer to make. The phone holder which I showed you in my first video, actually I replaced it for this one. Both are the same phone holders, only the difference is that it has an Arca Swiss mount and this is a normal mount. I had to replace it for this one because I'm not going into the Arca Swiss type anytime soon, so I had to replace it. Both are the same, again I tell you, both are the same, both have the same price, so you can buy any of them. I will put the link to this product in that description also, and I will update that description also, so you can go for any product according to your need. So now I'm putting this on, and I make sure that it's tightened up. Let me make the legs straight. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this as a vlogging setup. Let's make this face towards me. And now you have got to bend the legs in such a way that they angle towards you. And you have got to keep all the 3 legs bent in the same angle. It's going to be difficult, but once you get the right angle, it's not that difficult anymore. I'm going to show you right now. Alright guys, I've almost got the right angle. I might make a few adjustments to this later on, but this is how it's gonna look. And this is my phone. I'm gonna mount it here. It's a simple screwing mechanism, as I told you earlier also. Just mount this in. And here you have it. This is going to be a vlogging setup, and we are going to talk like this. Hi, hello, how are you doing? And the best thing is that you can mount a mic also in this part. It has a cold shoe mount. You can mount a mic also. The video on the mic will be coming next. So make sure you subscribe to this series. And this is how it looks. And I also can't help mentioning that this is so sturdy. This is so solid build. And see, I'm doing like this. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing with this right now. So you're going to see that.
Oh, he's hit this one, Miles. Great shot. Oh, it's a biggie. Straight over the top. The little man has hit the big fella for 6. He's off his size.
So guys, coming to the weight test. The specified weight limit of this Gorillapod is 5 kg. My DSLR weighs 1062 grams, so this Gorillapod can easily hold this DSLR. And next we come to the phone. My phone weighs 207 grams, so as expected it can easily hold the phone also. So guys, there you have the weight test. You can see for yourself. So guys, when we compare our Gorillapod to the more professional Gorillapods which are available in the market, you can see that the Joby 3K is almost 10 times as expensive as this one, and the Joby 5K, you can see the price for yourself. It's quite expensive. So if you are starting out, I think that this Gorillapod is quite good. It will do the job for you. Also guys, please note that 500 rupees Gorillapod can never be compared to a 5000 rupees Gorillapod. So of course the 5000 rupees Gorillapod is much better than this one. But as I said, when you are a beginner, you have got to do with what you have. So guys, coming to the last part of the video, this is what Gorillapod is mainly used for. It's mainly used for vlogging. You can see me doing that in the garden of my home. So this is pretty much about it. In these shots you see how I am mounting my phone and next my camera onto the Gorillapod and using it at different angles. Alright guys, I hope that we could provide you all the information. So guys, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.